Karen from EdibleWildFood.com here, and you're looking at flowers that are extremely powerful. They are a diaphoretic, immunostimulant, an expectorant, antiviral, they're astringent, they have anti-inflammatory properties as well as antioxidants. And of course, these are the elderflowers. In addition to all that, they contain a lot of flavonoids and phenolic acids. But today's video isn't about using these as medicine. It's about using these as cordial. Now, I don't make an alcoholic version of this. I make a non-alcoholic version, as for whatever reason, I'm just not too terribly interested in making any alcohol products out of plants. This actually is round 2, so it's already been streamed, and I just didn't want to throw the flowers and those lemons out quite yet because they're still tasty. And as you can see, I actually added a little bit of what I was doing in another pot with the milkweed flowers, and that's why you got that pinky hue. But once I strained it, not only do you have a nice beverage that you can use in a multitude of ways, you can mix it with vodka, you can mix it with ginger ale, or you can just take that liquid as is and make freezies. Now, I haven't frozen these yet, but now I could have strained this a little bit better, but I chose not to because it adds a little bit of, I don't know, I guess eye appeal in there. And if you want to know how to make this, go to my website and you're going to see the elderflower cordial recipe. Now, what you also see below there is my summer sale. If you buy all 4 books, you get 20% off and you get 2 free wild PDFs. Now, these are the 4 books. You get Fields of Nutrition, Winter Survival Food, the Pictorial Guide, which is just pictures. There's absolutely no verbiage in there whatsoever, just what the plant is and the parts that are used. And you also get how to process, preserve, and store wild edibles. All those 20% off, and you get 2 free PDFs. My PDF magazines are on average 20 to 24 pages, and they're loaded with recipes, medicinal values, nutrition, a little bit of history, how to harvest it, and so much more. So that's an extremely great value. And I wanted to do that this summer. With inflation being at the rate it is right now, I think everybody could use a break, and why not? Take advantage of my sale. And if you still have elderflowers available to you, get making some cordial and some summertime freezies.